Imagine having the power to transform raw footage into a compelling story. But which video editing software holds the key to this creative kingdom? Today, we delve into the realm of video editing, dissecting the best software in the industry. We'll be ranking them based on ease of use, versatility, and pricing, from the hidden gems to the big players. So whether you're a beginner or a seasoned professional, brace yourself for a thrilling journey. Stay tuned as we count down the top 5 video editing softwares that could revolutionize your content creation journey. Starting off our countdown at number 5, we have Hitfilm Express, a dark horse in the video editing world. This software might not be the first name that comes to mind when you think of video editing, but it certainly delivers a punch. Its comprehensive free package offers a multitude of features that other editors only provide in their premium versions. A true standout is its powerful editing and compositing capabilities, allowing you to seamlessly blend visual effects with your footage. However, like any software, it comes with its share of drawbacks. Hitfilm Express has a steeper learning curve compared to other editors on this list, making it less beginner-friendly. Additionally, it requires a powerful system to run smoothly, which might be a hurdle for some users. Despite these drawbacks, Hitfilm Express stands tall with its robust capabilities and zero price tag. Hitfilm Express, a robust editor that doesn't ask for a penny. But can the next contender offer more? Moving on to number 4, we present to you Shortcut, the minimalist marvel. At its heart, Shortcut is about simplicity and efficiency, making it a favorite among both novice and expert editors alike. It's a no-frills, no-fuss video editor that cuts straight to the chase, offering a clean, uncluttered interface that's as easy to navigate as it is on the eyes. But don't let its simplicity fool you. Shortcut is packed with a vast array of editing options that would give any high-end video editor a run for its money. From intricate trimming and slicing to advanced filters and transitions, Shortcut has got you covered. And the cherry on the top? It's cross-platform compatibility. Yes, you heard it right. Whether you're a Windows, Mac, or Linux user, Shortcut has got your back. Shortcut, simplicity and power rolled into one, but the competition is fierce. Who's next? Coming in at number 3, we have Filmora, the user-friendly giant. Filmora's charm lies in its simplicity. It manages to strike a perfect balance between functionality and ease of use, making it a go-to for beginners and casual users alike. Its interface is intuitive, with drag-and-drop features that make video editing as simple as playing with building blocks. While it's easy to use, don't be fooled into thinking it's basic. Filmora boasts a vast library of effects, transitions, and graphics that can elevate any video project. Whether you're looking to add a touch of flair with fancy text or transport your viewers to a different world with green screen effects, Filmora has got you covered. But it's not just about the bells and whistles. Filmora's power lies in its ability to make video editing accessible to everyone, regardless of their technical know-how. Filmora, making video editing a breeze. But as we approach the top, the stakes get higher. What could be at number 2? At number 2, we have a titan in the video editing industry, DaVinci Resolve. Known for its high-end features, this powerhouse offers advanced trimming, multicam editing, and superior color grading capabilities. DaVinci Resolve is a favorite among professional film editors, and for good reason. With its unmatched suite of tools, it delivers advanced cutting and multi-view editing. The real distinguishing feature of DaVinci Resolve is its unparalleled color grading capabilities. Equipped with a professional-grade color adjustment and grading system, it provides a degree of precision that's hard to rival. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a beginner, DaVinci Resolve has just the right tool for you. We've arrived at our number 1 video editing software, Adobe Premiere Pro. As part of the Adobe Creative Cloud, Adobe Premiere Pro offers a comprehensive suite of tools for video editing, graphic design, and web development. This timeline-based video editing software is the industry standard, trusted by professionals in every corner of the globe. It's a versatile powerhouse used for a multitude of productions. Be it business and marketing videos, music videos, documentaries, or feature films, Adobe Premiere Pro has proved its mettle time and again. Its seamless integration with other Adobe applications like Photoshop and After Effects enhances its functionality, making your editing process smoother and more efficient. It's not just a software, but a masterstroke in the video editing landscape. Remember, every tool has its unique strengths and weaknesses. The best choice for you depends on your individual needs and skill level. So, explore, experiment, and find the perfect tool that helps you bring your creative vision to life. As we wrap up this showdown of video editing software, it's important to remember that the power of these tools lies in your hands. No matter which software you choose, it's your creativity and vision that will truly make your videos shine. And remember, there's a vast community of creators out there just like you. Connect with them, learn from them. Together you can create something truly amazing. But before we sign off, we have a small request. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends and fellow creators. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Your support means the world to us and helps us keep creating more engaging and informative videos for you. So what are you waiting for? Dive into the world of video editing, unleash your creativity, and let your stories come to life. And as always, stay tuned for more.